Hello my friends, welcome to the summer of 2024. It's also the summer of the wasp and hornets. Look closely, there are also hornets mixed in with those wasps. This is a beehive, but not one of those is a bee. All my berry bushes, the Saskatoon tree, they're all covered in wasps also. Facebook's full of people complaining they can't sit on their decks or enjoy, having a drink or something outside, right? This is a empty hive body. I left it out here. The frames were mostly cleaned off by bees all summer, but whatever remnants are left, these wasps are very hungry. There's a couple other boxes beside it, and wasps everywhere. Unfortunately, I also have them in my garden, but I haven't been stung yet. I don't pester them or anything. I'm kind of pestering them right now. I'm right in front of them. And the dog likes to bite them, so if you hear chomping noises, that's the dog trying to get us both stung. So I'll take you over and show you where I think at least some of these are coming from. Alright, I think I have the camera pointing at the hole, but what you're looking at there is my raspberry patch in one of my raised beds, and either the pocket gophers or the wasps themselves excavated a hole in there. It's so bright out here with the sun, and these things are flying right past my face, so I'm hoping you can see some. But yeah, it's like half a dozen a second coming in and out of there. My garden has been infested for weeks now with these things. I didn't notice them until they were everywhere. I don't exactly know how to get rid of them, except just wait for the skunks. We have resident skunks, and I'm sure the skunks are quite aware of how many wasps are around. They love digging them up and eating them. We had some in-ground wasps in the yard, and yeah, they excavated them up, ate them. Anything low-hanging enough on, the spruce trees or whatever, they'll eat them too. But yeah, wasps, they're everywhere. The good news is they eat the flies and little pests that lay stuff on your plants in the garden. So my garden's pretty much pest-free. If you don't consider wasps a pest, then it is pest-free. Between the wasps and the frogs eat all the slugs. I've had very little evidence of slugs. I've only found one actually, so that's good. Yeah, organic gardening, right? Just organic pest control. But no, I don't have these wasps here on purpose, and I have no real good method to get rid of them. They could be quite far down in there too. I got hugelkultur cores, so they could have hollowed out or in between the logs or something. But yeah, so far only the dog's been stung, and that's because she's eating them and she likes it or something. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you a look at the infestation of wasps and hornets in 2024 here. It's quite the thing to have to live through. I don't really enjoy it, but it's seasonal, it goes on cycles. Last year they weren't bad at all. This year they'll be terrible. Next year they probably won't be too bad. And like I said, hopefully the skunk will come and eat these. But yeah, let's just look at the wasps. I'm not going to make this too much longer here or show you much else because it's really windy, so that's terrible audio. So I don't know. If you like wasps, give me a thumbs up. If you're happy there in my garden, not yours, subscribe. Join me here as a friend. You're always welcome in my garden. So Have a great day wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.